Welcome to Tips and Tactics from Successful Sellers in 2024, where we bring you the latest strategies and insights from seasoned Amazon sellers who have mastered the art of e-commerce. In this episode, we'll uncover the tips and tactics that are driving success in the ever-evolving world of online retail. Tip 1. Diversify your product portfolio. Our first tip comes from Lisa, a successful Amazon seller. She recommends diversifying your product portfolio to reduce risk. Expanding into related niches or complementary products can help you maintain a steady income even if one product experiences a downturn. Tip 2. Harness the power of Amazon PPC advertising. David, an Amazon PPC expert, emphasizes the importance of utilizing Amazon's pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. He suggests optimizing your campaigns to reach the right audience and constantly analyzing the data to refine your strategy and maximize ROI. Tip 3. Master the art of Amazon SEO. Jenny, an SEO specialist, highlights the significance of Amazon search engine optimization (SEO). She advises sellers to conduct thorough keyword research, optimize product listings, and continuously monitor and adjust their SEO efforts to stay competitive. Tip 4. Prioritize customer reviews. Tom, a seller with a strong focus on customer satisfaction, recommends actively managing your reviews. Encourage happy customers to leave positive reviews and promptly address any negative feedback to maintain a stellar reputation. Tip 5. Leverage social media marketing. Sarah, a social media marketing guru, suggests using platforms like Instagram and Facebook to complement your Amazon efforts. Building a strong social media presence can help you drive traffic to your Amazon listings and engage with your audience. Tip 6. Optimize your fulfillment strategy. Michael, an expert in logistics and fulfillment, stresses the importance of optimizing your fulfillment strategy. Whether you choose Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, or Fulfillment by Merchant, FBM, ensuring timely and reliable shipping is key to customer satisfaction. Tip 7. Stay informed about Amazon policies. Alex, a legal consultant for Amazon sellers, advises staying informed about Amazon's policies and regulations. Keeping up to date with the platform's rules can help you avoid account issues and navigate any changes effectively. Tip 8. Build a brand identity. Samantha, a branding enthusiast, recommends building a strong brand identity. Investing in branding elements like logos, packaging, and a compelling brand story can set you apart from competitors and create customer loyalty. Tip 9. Analyze data and metrics. John, a data-driven seller, emphasizes the importance of analyzing data and metrics. Regularly review your sales data, customer behavior, and advertising performance to make informed decisions and refine your strategies. Tip 10. Adapt and innovate. Finally, Emily, an Amazon veteran, stresses the need to adapt and innovate continually. The e-commerce landscape evolves rapidly, and successful sellers are those who embrace change, test new approaches, and stay ahead of the competition. As we navigate the dynamic world of Amazon selling in 2024, remember that success is achievable with the right tactics and a willingness to learn and adapt. Incorporate these tips from successful sellers into your strategy to thrive in the ever-evolving e-commerce ecosystem. Thank you for tuning in to Tips and Tactics from Successful Sellers in 2024. Stay tuned for more valuable insights in our upcoming episodes. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us, and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.